I'm Dan Palomino with Keller Williams Realty Maui, Big Island, and the Hawaii team. Well, today I am at Keauhou Bay previewing this $27 million home right here on the ocean. And you can hear the waves crashing behind me. Now, I'm only going to give you a sneak peek of this home, and then you got to call us here at the Hawaii team if you want more information or you want to see this. Let me just tell you this. This house online and in video doesn't do itself justice. You can't portray this place well enough online. You need to be here in person to see it, to believe it. It's really off the charts, like nothing I've seen in Hawaii. Contact us here at the Hawaii team, 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899 for more information about this amazing home. Aloha.